Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. Hey, you ever get to where you're struggling getting backed up into a spot, or hitching up a trailer, or backing up somewhere new to you where you've got to be in a certain alignment? It can be a struggle sometimes, even for experienced guys, but or gals. But I got this in C-Tech backup camera, magnetic mount, and excuse me, it's adjustable. It doesn't adjust easy, and that's a good thing. So it holds on pretty good. There we go. Yeah, I don't know if you can see or not. Got the lights indicating the battery charge. There's an on and off switch right here, and in here is your charging port. Comes with the USB cord to do the charging. But anyway, let's look at some of these pictures that I took while I just took this while I'm backing up out in the yard, backed up to my trailer. I carry my little boat on, and it's real impressive. It's full 1080 HD, great resolution, beautiful pictures. You can see there as we kind of scroll through them. But real happy with it. It did the trick. It put me right where I needed to be. Just have to lower the hitch onto the ball, and I'm ready to roll. So anyway, NC Tech. It's a good one. It plays right on your phone. And that's I also record my videos on my phone, so that's why I don't have it up and running while we're doing this, if that makes sense. So anyway, you can get you one. Great company. Had some questions, they got back to me. It's real good customer service, I believe. So in Z-Tech. Thanks. Bye now.